Hbar price prediction. There's a few things that are going on the charts. I will not waste a second of your time, so hit the like button. I'll give you a long-term price prediction and a short-term. Let's start with the long-term one. We have two key areas of support, which is basically this area right here and this area right here. The first one is just from the daily candle wick, which is the support area. I know people do not believe that, but it is an area with confirmation where you can have a nice support. We can see it multiple times. Look at this wick right here. Look, support. We normally have some form of retracement. We obviously need more confirmations than that, but this is just one of the ideas you can have for this trade. So this is the first thing I'm looking for. Price dropping to one of these levels. How will I trade this? Well, the first thing I can do is I'm interested in placing shorts even right now to any of these levels right here from the current price to any of the levels down below. That would be the perfect scenario for me. And from there, I will be interested in seeing shorts closing, and then we'll enter some long trades. If you want to follow my trades in real time, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my signals chat. If you want to learn my strategies, use the link in the description down below to check out my course. I made it pretty cheap. And if you want to learn more from me and something that I'm doing recently is changing to a new no KYC exchange, and that's BLOFIN. If you deposit $50, you get a $30 bonus. Check it out. The link is in the description down below. See you next video. Bye.